So only if you hand too much on the side, always in front of the center. Okay? Yeah, I don't push, I can't push against him. Okay? So I need to change the direction. So I move this way. Okay? So then counter. Right in front of you. Stay behind your partner. And stretch. This is very square. Yeah, so this time. Good contact. Okay, we should be able to hold this way. Okay, that's it. So, good contact. Here. Let's go. Thank you. This is very square technique. Sometimes it's too square and people get locked into specific motions, and when we ask more motion, then they are lost, okay? But we need to learn things like that. I mean, this is very important, just this aspect in Aikido takes years, believe me. Okay, some people are faster than others, but this is very important to understand how you can connect. So, anyway, now I just finish, and I enter. So, either Oshiru Keri or you can roll like a show, but many people didn't do this, so just pay attention if you roll this way. What's important is if your partner is very strong, not to be as strong as him. And it's like a tennis game. If you play the same game, then it's not. Here, I'm relaxed. I have my center. He can be very strong, I don't care. Okay? As I'm saying, this is very static. So if you are tall, for example, I explained on small, if my turn is very tall and he grabs this way, he needs to correct the position. Exactly. So that's very important. Shoulder should go up, very relaxed. As soon as you feel you caught this center, then you can go a bit more free. It's nice to work in a more static motion to get a good feel. But for more advanced after, it's nice also to engage in the technique. Then after, that's what we do. Okay? Go slowly first. Keep the same partner. So what I expect from people is to be alive. And I know from a beginner's point of view, or if you come from a different background, sometimes it's not easy to grasp. It's not, you're not just a body bag with someone trying to do something on you. You're alive as okay. You understand? Okay, the person that receives an attack. Okay? So just totally like this. That's totally, you need to avoid positions like that. You really need to stay present. Okay? Presence from the beginning. So, attitude. Okay. Here, up, protect myself. Good choice. You need to be mobile. Mobile means when my turn enters here, I don't stay in this position. Okay, my body moves straight away. And I'm getting ready to fall. Just try this, please. When you fall, okay, it's not just fall like that, and then come back, stay there, and come back this way. Okay? So, I don't ask fancy break falls, but you need to get away from the partner. So, you can't stand back up in front of him, just for a martial reason. And you float it like this. Okay? Put some energy to your body, okay? You need to be alive, okay? Go away. Aikido is so. Anyway, so stay alive, intention, no, not violence. When I come back up, I want to be there, alive, but I don't use that. I just grab. Practice like this and I light. Take your partner's hand instead. Here, I can push, so I need to enter. Okay. Attitude again. Okay. Still there. Yep, enter. The way Mark moves, it's a bit advanced. He needs to free his hips. Okay. I accept I'm not made of stone without an end. Okay, so here, he takes my balance, and back up. Here. Again, azuke, try to stay present. Not stiff, not too soft. Stiff is like this, I can't stop. Everybody, I'm telling the same. So go along, vous allez appeler. Change partner. So, okay, can you see that? Don't push away. This way, pull. Okay, so yeah, you just stop the partner. If he comes too close, he moves. So it's just once you're there, back. That's good. Then grab. As you raise, you go toward the elbow, you enter. Toward the elbow. On Tsuwaiwaza, you should be able to stand up anytime. If you are not able to stand up, you're in difficulty. If you are like this, I can stand up. Okay? If I'm flat, it's even more difficult. So, proper position. Here. And here, close, knees together. Your bone goes up. If you keep your bone down, you can't move because the weight of your bone is on your heels. And the heavier it is, the more difficult it is. Here. I attack his center. I focus on his center, not on his arm. I don't care about his arm. I'm trying to move him. The way Mark receives is slightly more advanced. Most of us, if Mark does it, if you are not used to receive, less presence, you do this. You see my position here? The technique is finished. But it's okay when you don't have any skills, okay, yet. But here it's finished. So, if you want to remain present in the technique, okay, you need to do this, okay. Okay, stay alive. So, that's why Mark is opening his eyes. Yeah. And then he finishes. I see what I do. Stay alive. Believe me, you don't need to practice 3 hours Aikido for each session. If you do 1 hour properly, intensively, you'll get your business done, okay? Remember what I've been saying. You're not floppy and dead. When he appears there, okay, I'm again. Can you go, please? It's up to you. Stay alive. He only can do the technique because I'm coming back up. That's why he does the technique, because I'm alive. If not, he has no reason to do any techniques. It's like his 2 boxers were sparring and one has the gloves down and just waits like this. It's exactly the same. And that's the biggest thing in Aikido that we all need to learn, to be passive. I'm not saying to be violent, you need to avoid being passive. Okay? I'm not asking you to punch, to do anything, to stay present, supple, available, all these things, present in the technique. Because your partner will learn this way. Your partner will never learn if you are not like that. You can practice 30 years like this, and you will never develop your change. And you won't do any service to your partner. So, don't run, don't rush, but stay present. Even slowly, I stay present. I lose my balance, I can't stay this way, unless he stops me here. If I can come back up, I can't. But if he releases, I come back up. That's it. And now I have no choice. He enters. But it's not him deciding. I'm the one attacking. And in Aikido, it's always Tori that decides. I'm attacking. I decide. I created the technique here. I forced him to do the technique. Why should I stop in the middle? I don't. Here, I do the job. I continue my job. I continue. So, oh my God, he's violent. What is he doing? No. That's the idea. The idea is to stay there, respect the partner, stay there. Alright, let's go. Now watch. Watch me. Can you see that? When you teach more advanced, don't teach that. Okay, this is that's why that's too demanding, okay? You just say basic. For monter, for the moment. And then you finish. Let's go. On the side. I could have an atemi, and usually it's an atemi. And here. Don't pull, don't cut. Just control the partner. Nice and slow. Attitude. You try this? Or you want to sit once more? No? Okay. Especially more advanced also, it's important. Attitude. I open. When I open, what's going to happen? Igor is nice with me. Igor is a tough guy, so he's too nice with me. He would straight away go at me. At me. Me. What's his prime concern? If he grabs my arm, it's not just to caress my beautiful wrist. Huh? In Aikido, that's what we think. If I open, he has intention. We all agree with that. We don't do it, but we all agree with this. Okay? So, here, when I open, I can't stay where I am. I can't. I need to move. Okay? That's the first thing. To move, okay? You need to open the hip. Then slide. That's it. So let's try. Okay? Change partner if you want. Now look at Brian's arm reach. Stretch it. Here. Okay? If I want to take his balance, I need to go even there. Do you understand? Plus here, this is not cutting someone's arm. Okay? Philip told you that many times. Huh? Take off your arm. If someone does that to you, you won't stay there. Do you understand that? The purpose is not to hurt the partner. The purpose is to take the balance. Watch. That's all. You understand that? Okay? Now, to do so, you need to adapt to each individual. Okay? If you work with someone smaller, you won't move as much. That's why it's very rich to practice with many different people. Strong, small, big, okay, doesn't matter. So here I know Brian has a long reach, I can sense that. Okay, so don't move in advance. That's something in Aikido also. In Aikido we repeat the technique, we do it. And I've seen that many times. And then I move with it, so it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. I'm neutral. Neutral. I lose my balance. Okay. And then he does the technique. So if you anticipate more advanced, it's different. And here I look at it. And perfect see this way. Okay, you try? I see it. Now. I look at my partner. Now I need to go behind him. My hand is here, so nobody can see. So I will stretch him. Okay. And remember, I need to be able to stand up this way. It's good, but correction. Once I'm there, I enter, hip, elbow. Okay, I don't pull, I don't use strength here. I enter behind you and the rest goes. No strength. Okay? If not, then it's the strongest that will win. So, stretch. Control here. Okay? I don't do this. I continue to enter behind him and I do tenko. When I'm there, I'm careful of everything. Left, front, right. Sometimes behind, but I'm there, I can see. Here is nice, he stays like that, I control. As soon as I will open, his intention again is on me. So I take his balance to destabilize him. Yes, and as soon as he recovers, by the time he recovers, I should be already positioned behind him for more advanced. I have no time to waste. Okay? If I wait, I have to start all over again. He's back to his normal position. So here, straight away, I move. For more advanced try, this is very important. That's where you see the skills between the first few, Shodan, Nidan, Sandan. A Shodan, which is a black belt, first time you get your black belt, we take his time. Clear motion, very clear. Okay? Then after, according to your level, you need to start avec more flow. We try? I feel flow. Yeah. And it's challenging for all of us, including me. This technique. Everyone is different. So, here. I can't stay this way. I stretch. Can you see that? Right. Here, it's as if you had a jaw. Okay? Here you grab. And here, watch carefully. Hip, all my left side will move. Here. Then, I continue to enter. You see that? I'm getting ready for the 10 count. Do you understand that? If you pull, and if you won't be well positioned, stretch. First control, here I'm safe. Away from danger. Here, then I enter. Have you ever seen a boxer attacking with one hand and protecting like this with the other? Okay. So when you are there, don't do this if you can. I shouldn't say don't do this. Avoid doing this. Okay? According to my opinion. Okay, politically speaking. You know already he's going to do anatomy. At least if he comes, maybe you move this way, maybe, but not this. It's too static. So teach your beginners to avoid this static position. Stay present. I need to give him my best for him to learn. If I resist straight away, if I block straight away, we will never develop the technique. So we need to not play together, but move together. Okay, so here, he moves. Then he kicks. Here he catches my balance. As long as he controls here, I can't stand up. As soon as he releases, I can't stay this way. Same as earlier on. If I stay this way, come back up, it should go. I can't. As soon as he releases, I'm on him. I'm on him. I'm on him. Okay? If not, I have a second choice. He releases, and I go away. One or the other, but I don't stay on the spot. I can't. That's just the basics. Basics, okay? One there. I stand up. this. Nice. Don't force too much. So that's something. Don't try to put pressure with your arm to try. It should be one move, then after it's finished. One move, it's finished. This is going from here, here, and straight here. So already I don't go the full way, but okay, the idea is there. Okay. So it's not this, remember, it's not this. Here, finished, okay? My position is not good, okay? It's just I need to be able to. Okay. Let's go. This motion is to this and this. He knows now. After practicing a lot. The idea is there. So if I practice like this, he will can't stop all the time. And my goal is for him to relax, okay, and be as available as possible, and practice at a high level, without having to always create tension. But it's not this. Remember what I said. Not this. Some of you are still like this. Your position finished, okay? The idea is like sparring, huh? I'm dead. That's the idea. Some of us already think, well, he's going to grab me here, so I will cut his hand. For sure he will grab me here, and he grabs my ass. Okay. For the technical purpose, we are learning this. Yes, this is the case, we do repeat it. Always bear in mind that any eventuality can happen. So I stay open free. And same for me. Is as free as you want. Okay? So I control. Little bit. Rush. And enter. I change partner. It doesn't matter. Okay? You need to stay present and keep repeating that. Even if you work with a beginner, oh, I brought you a beginner, can I do it? Okay, go ahead. No, do this. Go ahead. No, not like this. Okay? Okay, let's go. Do it. Let's go. I don't want you to be huge. Go ahead. And yes. I go along. Doesn't matter if he makes mistakes. He will learn. More intentional now. Yes. I should go. Okay, try. Now I want you to bring your partner down. He taps, I want you to learn, and he comes back as an exercise. Many of us don't know how to pull this way, so don't force, just here and here. He comes back up, you continue taking slowly. Watch around because you need to pull from here, just cut. That's it. You need motion, static is impossible. Then I release. I can change. Alright, let's go. Keep the same. Nice and slow. There's more motion to this than the basic one, but I want you to think of the side. Slowly. Tempo is important. punch me, go away, don't do this. That's it. I prefer this attitude. So the faster you go, the less you will go on the rush down. You go straight away. That's it. You don't need, you just do the atemi and it allows you to go through. As soon as it turns, you're in danger. You don't know what's going to happen. That's why I have the atemi. That's why here, before you realize it, I have this atemi. In the motion. Not this. This goes against the motion. Watch. Then I have to go there. It has to be in the motion. Okay? The atemi should be here to spinning. That's it. Okay? Take off here. Close to you. Ici, alors my hands are moving, je suis avec celui-ci. I can't go up and down and wave. I will stop his flow. I need to continue his flow. And also I need to keep my hands inside my own circle. If not, I can't control. Okay? So. Then I turn. He can let go. When I turn, I'm in that turn. I decide. He goes that way, he can let go. Just voilà. Not easy, hein? Believe me. Yes. Go ahead. That's it. Okay? We want to do Aikido, which is a martial art, but we are afraid to grab someone or touch. I'm sorry. You okay? Okay, so here. I don't try to restrict him by having an extremely stiff position like this. After 10 years, I think he's going this one. Okay? So, then try to feel what's going on. Yes, that's it. And I'm in difficulties too. The more it's going to move, the more I'll be in danger. I'm talking at an advanced level. It could be very nice to me. You barely move. Just nice and quiet. I do my technique. But as long as you progress, Uke, as I was saying at the beginning of the class, is here to challenge you. Not block, not stiff, not violent, challenge you in a real way. Okay? And that's what he does. Here I need to react. I didn't move hand what's going to come, but I need to move properly, out of the way. Okay. Sometimes it's very good to practice at a slow, well, at a very easy pace, okay? Please, nice. Okay, whatever. Then you need to challenge yourselves a little bit more. And when you practice with beginners, allow them, when you teach a class, to break that shell down. That's what we need. As we had many discussions over the past, it's much more difficult after several years to become flexible than at the beginning. So if you teach beginners to be very static at the beginning, it's probably going to take a lot of time to unbreak this. While if you ask them to move and make mistakes, no one is perfect, then they will start having the flow. Once they've got the flow, then they will be able to adjust the techniques. And that's very important, according to me. Okay? So, then just move, don't stop. That's it. Even beginners, try to get some flow here. enjoy. For the moment, don't think too much of the martial aspect, except when you practice with someone that is as advanced as you. But the attitude, that's it. I know my limits here. I position myself quickly. That's it. And even if I'm exaggerating, you will learn. Always look at it. Yes. Nice, let's go. Still very basic, you can try to move. That's it. Danger is still there. Watch carefully. You can't go too fast. But if you are under pressure, you go here, as soon as it comes back, I'm in danger. Straight away down here. Come there. As soon as I release, okay. So the idea, I stretching. I take his balance. Before you recover, I need you to. And I don't care about this. This is the danger. I get stunned, I can lose awareness with this. You understand that? It's the same with the tanto. The most important is the hand that has the tanto. I prefer to get punched with the other hand than get knifed. Understand? Okay, so here, we need to. Okay, then slowly. I don't destroy his wrist, I sink. I could inflict pain, but that's not the purpose. The purpose is for him to end up stronger than me after the Nikkyo. By stronger, he needs to be more resistant. Not resistant in breaking his wrist, resistant in how he can absorb Nikkyo. It's called Nikkyo. So I work on his body. Okay? Next time we do floor. Then, okay, but slowly. If I don't sink, pain is very, very strong. If I stay this way, it will be slow. So I'll accompany him, and I sink toward him. So the first action, toward him. Second action, toward me. When the two are meeting, the technique works. Here I control him. Now, basically, this triangle here, okay, needs to be positioned between my shoulder and my neck. Here. This is not good. This is even worse, people doing this. It's not this. I'm sure some of you will do this. This is if you want to break the arm. Okay? Okay? No. It's watch. This is coming toward me. This is going toward me. When the both meet, the technique exists. Okay? There are many ways of doing Nikkyo. There are many different ways. The basic one. That's it. And the more I put pressure here, the more I will feel. If you release your hand here, less pain. The tighter you are, the more it will be slow. So more advanced, you should be able to dose this. Okay? Don't inflict pain. I need to shoot you. Don't inflict pain to just inflict pain and tell your partner how strong and beautiful you are. This is useless. The opposite, Aikido, it's made to build things, not to destroy them. So, when you practice, help your partner to develop himself, okay? Very important. And accept to lose. Once there, same thing. If I release, it's back on me. It should be on me. Okay, that's it. Except if I go all the way down, okay? But for the technique purpose, I release. Some people still control here, which is fine. If you are very strong. If you face someone strong, it's a challenge. So myself, as I'm small and not so strong, I move to be safe. If you Mike Tyson for to meet you, you have no problem. Anyway, I think so. Right, okay. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, I'm not there. So stay there. I really feel slowly. Don't be afraid. The problem is you receive the pain once, you'll be afraid all your life. So what's the job you have to do as an advanced person? It's to give confidence again to the partner. Okay? You can sense people when they are tensing up, either it's the first time or someone gave them pain. And when you give pain, you don't build, you destroy it. Okay? And for a beginner, they don't understand that. I'm very good at people. Here, slowly. Now, for any beginners, if you turn away, well, see, I go away because he's not there. Okay, so it has to be really here. And remember what I said. If this hand is not a danger to me, there is no technique. No technique. Keep this in mind. I'm not doing Nikkyo for the pleasure of Nikkyo. It's not a necessity. It's not a. We're not marked on how well we can do Nikkyo on this. We are doing this technique to protect ourselves and to understand how the body works here. If he's not present, then nothing will happen. If he's there, yes, slowly. Okay, so when you receive, avoid these positions. Because if someone doesn't know and wants to inflict pain, believe me, here you will be sore. Against the elbow, it's very sore. And I wouldn't tolerate that. Sometimes it does happen. Please never abuse. I give my arm to Michael. I give my arm to Michael to learn a technique. It's not him being better than me, stronger than me, that controls me. No, it's finished. Finished. I give my arm to Michael to learn a technique. So if he breaks my arm or hurts me, it's abusing. Okay? Do you understand that? It's very important. Very important. So here he works his technique. If I don't move, you don't move. It's because I move that he moves. The danger is greater. I move, he moves. Then, when we practice the full technique, I attack, he turns, I'm with him. I'm with him. I don't resist, huh? Do I resist? No? Okay, so I don't. So here I'm with him all the time. Then I let's go. Change if you wish. We will skip the class because it will be a opportunity. Nice tank count. Okay. Basic stuff. Also if you want. easy on the push. Not this. I coquillage. At least 30 times each minute. So, for example, Yokomani. This is second Yokomani. So you know that one. It was just to try to break the old habits. So it's there. Attitude. Nice. Don't destroy your partner by doing just a nice bump. Then that's my foot. Sorry. Because you go strong. Then here. Try. This one. And I go back. If I stay on the spot, I probably damage my wrist. Okay? So I'm just trying this for you to understand. For more advanced also, you should have a bit of that's all. Okay? Let's go. Next. So you can use your hand if you want, but barely touching. That's what I want you to do. See when you're relaxing. And if you can, your hands. Don't put your hands in your back. I try. When you attack, watch your posture. I don't expect people to be obviously doing the things right straight away. But correct, if I attack Michael, I can do this. Okay. Usually I should lose my balance. If I really attack strong and I don't touch him, then I should lose my balance. I'm exaggerating, but I'm not going to target you, so I'll attack strong that I won't, okay? Okay, that's the idea. When you want to reach something, you go for it. Because with your Aikido, you know, you will do this, you will do that, you will do that. But an attack is an attack. An attack is an attack. You want to reach. But you don't need to go fast, rough, stiff to do an attack. You just need will. You need to. For me, if someone is in front of me and has no will, it doesn't give me the desire to practice Aikido, to do Aikido. If Michael starts to sink and look at me and he turns this way and says, whoa. Okay, here he is. I don't know him, but I'm sure he's ready to attack. So I can say this way, it's okay. Okay, and he will attack. Okay? Michael is there. Maybe he will attack again. Maybe again. If you are there, he attacks. Attitude, all the time. Okay? It's very important. So when you attack, don't drop the attack at the end. Okay? It's really, really important. Okay. Nice, let's go. Clean down inside. Watch. You want to do it? Okay. Now. Okay. So again, take your same. develop your innate ankle too. So watch carefully. I should always touch it, okay? So that's the danger. Very good, not this. Oh, you will feel it move. Okay. Okay? Here, right close by. Ice, let's go. Get touched, accent. I will. Nice! I have put many different ways, all valid. One for great big extremity chapter. You don't do this one great, for example, okay? The one where you bring your hands in is quite interesting. When you go inside and you touch here. Okay? You know that one? Maybe you don't. Okay. So you enter, you go at the back of the partner. Now, you have to differentiate between this one and the most basic one, where we reach a contact here. I reach a contact, and from this point of contact, I need to rotate without trying to reach with this hand back. And that's very challenging, because when people attack properly, you often get crushed. I don't know, if someone attacks you properly, you have some work to do. Okay? Because when Wojtek is on me, often if I move, I get crushed. So this hand has to do this motion. Do you understand that? Did you see that? So it's just here to protect and here. So when you do it in again, then that's it. This hand is too static. I'm talking about more advanced level. If this hand is stopping this way, it's too much. If this hand is too much forward, you're in difficulty also. Okay? So it's just slowly. Yeah, very slowly. Watch carefully. Okay. Just protect. Watch Philippe, maybe he's coming in November. Look when he does the eliminating sometimes. Many ways, but the idea is really to oops. Okay. Nice! Let's go. Whack. I haven't seen only once, but watch this. Yeah, happy. Okay. So, in the difficulty, you have to be able to move smoothly. And what did I explain to you on how to bring a partner with you? Remember this? The way my hand is positioned, it's here. Watch this. Naturally. Okay? That's just the strength you have. I've done it many times Aikido, and I feel there is a clue in my back. Not very effective, but it's sharp. Okay. So no tension. Maybe you can practice like this sometimes for fun, but okay. So here, open. Last night that's what I did. Open. Nice and slow. Voltage attack. I will open. Okay. Here. I Handstand. Catapé, rejeté, ready. Ready? Nothing. That's good. Okay, he's strong and relaxed. He's very strong. So can you move it? For me, Aikido is resumed by one thing. How many people have told that? Shake my hand. No, you're free. Shake my hand. Alright, go on, go on. Am I stiff? Yeah, yeah. Was my grip strong? Yeah. Shake my hand. Is my grip strong? Yeah. Okay. Aikido is the second one, not the first one. Aikido is to be strong in the movement. Okay? Alright, now, should get used to this one. How can I bring him down? I can't pull, I can't push, my elbow goes down. You sense that? Okay?